Hi, welcome to Pharmaceutical Concept, a channel for health, wellness and pharmaceutical sciences. Today we are going to discuss about how to judge pharmaceutical patent infringement. There are 5 principles involved in this. Number 1. Doctrine of equivalence. Number 2. Doctrine of complete coverage. Number 3. Doctrine of compromise. Number 4. Doctrine of estoppel. Number 5. Doctrine of superfluity. Thanks for your time. Consider subscribing our channel for regular updates. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Pharmaceutical Concept.